Injustice anywhere is a threat to justice everywhere. The strength of a society is known by the justice system that it exhibits. To empower the criminal justice delivery system, the DNA Technology Use and Application Regulation Bill 2019 has been formulated for establishing the identity of missing persons, victims, offenders under trials, and unknown deceased persons. The bill is likely to be taken up during the monsoon session of Parliament 2021. The primary intended purpose of the DNA Technology Use and Application Regulation Bill is to expand the application of DNA-based forensic technologies. The bill seeks to ensure that with the proposed expanded use of this technology, there is also the assurance that the DNA test results are reliable. Furthermore, the data should also remain protected from the misuse in terms of privacy rights of the citizens. Let's get to know more about this bill. The bill will enable the identification of missing children and unidentified individuals, including disaster victims. It will also aid in apprehending repeated offenders. The bill will further help in developing stringent standards and quality assurance systems to grant approval and accreditation to laboratories undertaking DNA profiling. It will be quite useful in regulating the use of DNA profiles for lawful purposes and for establishing identity in criminal and civil proceedings. To address concerns related to quality, accuracy, and security of data, the bill also aims to establish a DNA regulatory board. Let's get to know the functions of DNA regulatory board. The board will advise the central government and the state governments on all issues related to the establishment of DNA laboratories and DNA data banks. It will also be responsible for laying down the guidelines, standards, and the procedures for the establishment and functioning of such laboratories and data banks. Further, the DNA Regulatory Board will also grant accreditation to laboratories for undertaking DNA testing, analyzing, and to suspend or revoke such accreditation. Moreover, the board will also establish a national DNA data bank and regional DNA data banks, which shall store and maintain the DNA profiles according to the provisions related to the use and access to information. DNA testing is currently being done on a limited scale in India, with approximately 30 to 40 DNA experts in 15 to 18 laboratories, undertaking less than 3,000 cases per year. However, the standards of the laboratories are not monitored or regulated. Apart from this, DNA fingerprinting is already practiced in the country and the evidence has been used in many criminal court cases with success. Thus, the procedures for crime scene collection, sample storage, the chain of custody, contamination, data analysis are quite routine. And what the bill will do is ensure that they become standards for accreditation, which is currently not statutory. So the government has realized the need to provide a suitable framework for ensuring a proper justice delivery mechanism across the country. And for this, continuous efforts are being laid to expand the use of scientifically driven technology so that it would empower the existing justice delivery system for the citizens. We will be back with some more updates. Thanks for watching.